The renal cortex, under the higher magnifications, have several distinct features. One of the most striking is the presence of the renal corpuscles. The Bowman's space, or the urinary space, is covered by the Bowman's capsule, which is the first part of the nephron. The Bowman's capsule consists of the outer layer of the single squamous epithelial cells, which forms the parietal layer of the Bowman's capsule, and it's continuous with the visceral layer of the Bowman's capsule formed by podocytes. The podocytes covers the blood vessels. The endothelial cells of the blood vessels and the podocytes are very difficult to distinguish in this staining. In between the cells are glomerular mesangial cells. They're also very difficult to distinguish from the other ones. The proximal convoluted tubule are much more numerous in the cortex than the distal convoluted tubules, and this is because they're much longer. The small uneven lumen is surrounded by the single layer of cuboidal cells. On the apical aspect, there is a brush border or microvilli. The cell borders are not distinct because of extensive basal and lateral interdigitations. A distal convoluted tubule has also small lumen, but the brush border is not as much as prominent. They are also less intensive stained. They are fuzzy in appearance because they also possess the extensive basal and lateral interdigitations. The juxtaglomerular complex, as the name implies, is located just next to the glomerulus. It consists of the macula densa cells, which are the modified cells of the distal convoluted tubule. There are also modified smooth muscle cells called juxtaglomerular or granular cells and extraglomerular mesangial cells. The last two groups are indistinguishable in this type of staining.